kind of oh gosh, I can't do this. Look how beautiful that is. And right over your asparagus. Isn't that lovely? Just kind of smooth it around. Love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, my ice cream was in the oven